Hey everyone, sitting at home in my house during what is known as coronavirus isolation, and I figured I had some time and wanted to share some fun math activities that I used to do with students. Um, this one is Guess That Number. Kids love this one. You can be very dramatic with it, and I'll explain how you can do that. But here we go. Go through how this works. So steps for guessing that number, you need to ask a participant, normally the child, to give you a three-digit number where none of the digits are the same. Step two is ask the participant to reverse the digits. And three, subtract the lesser number from the greater number. Four is asking the child to reverse the difference and add that number to the difference from step three. And the final result should always be the same when you do this. But there are some rules. Well, one in particular that you really do need to follow. Um, the numbers must be three digits. So, for example, if a child gives you the number of 980, the reverse is going to be 098 when you record it down. The other example would be if, let's say, the child gives you the number 354 and then the reverse is 453. So when you get to the part where you actually have to subtract the two, the answer becomes 99. But in this case, the rule is that you always have to have three digits, so therefore it would be 099. So let's actually see how this works. Before actually trying it out and giving this to a child, what I would do is I said, hey, we're going to play a little game, and I would write down the number that I know is going to be the result from the activity. So the number is always going to be 1089 when you do this. So I would write it down on a piece of paper, and then I would fold it and, till it was really small. And I say, okay, can I trust you to hold on to this and not peek until the very end? And students normally say, well, what's on there? And I say, well, it's your answer that you will get when we do this activity. And you just hype it up, get them excited about it, so they hold on to the paper. And then you ask for the three-digit number and you go through the steps with them. So I laid it out here. You could start, as an example, it's 623, reverse it, 326. Do the subtraction, you get 297, and then you go ahead and add the reverse of the difference to the difference, and you get 1089. You can try it with any numbers as long as you follow these steps and rules, you'll always get the same response. So just to show you, I did it where I chose the number 012. If I reversed it, I get 210. So then I take the greater and subtract the lesser. So it's 210 minus the 012, and I get 198. When I reverse the 198, I get 191, so I add that to the difference. So it's 198 plus 891, and I get 1089. Mind blown. Hope you enjoy this. Kids normally enjoy this. I will be putting together another video of how it actually works, the math behind it, and why it works every single time, no matter what three-digit number you choose, as long as you start with three digits that aren't the same. Thanks. Enjoy.